Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. Now I've got a lot of tasks that I've in motion right now, and if you own this many old cars, there's always something. There's the big stuff, there's the little stuff, and there's the annoying stuff. And this is one of I'm going to chalk up as the annoying. So I came out yesterday, and this headlight was cracked on the XJR. Now, usually it's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal yet. I have never replaced one of these, but it's a full glass assembly that's kind of like a D1, where it's in a housing, but the housing has some little pop adjustment pieces in the back. So it's not, I don't think it's as simple as just like popping it out and removing it, but we're gonna try to use some tools and I don't want to remove the whole assembly, right? So I'm trying to just pop this lens and this light out itself. Went to cap, found another one. Luckily there's that Vandenpla in a video. I'll post that later, just sitting in there. And yeah, we're gonna just try to pop this out so we don't have to remove the whole assembly. Got a long screwdriver, and I've got one of these little trim tools that I have in the garage to try to get to those little areas. It's gonna be hard to show. Now this is not the one I'm working on, but I'm just for reference, that if you're familiar with how a D1 lights are, it is a little snap circle that is a round end that pushes into. So those are what I wanna get for this side. I'm gonna try to pop them loose with the tool. Kind of hard to film, so I'm just letting you know if I can do it. Before we do that, I released the actual bulb housing to get the bulb out, which is also smashed. So I don't know what happened here. This is an odd one because it was literally fine, yes, and I didn't even hit anything. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get down in there with it. All right, so I popped one with the tool down there, and actually it popped both bottom ones. So now I have to rearrange it like this and try to pop the top. And actually, top access is a little bit better. It's right there, so that should actually be a lot easier to remove than the bottom. So yeah, again, came through the front, used this, popped it up, just to do one more without cutting my hand a piece, and then this will just pop out. I've already disconnected the back, so we should be good to go. And boom, it's out. So here's the look of what I'm talking about. And I didn't want to remove the whole assembly because these are already adjusted to the beam direction that you want. So hopefully I can just plug this new one in and it'll be good to go. Now to remove the bulb itself, if you're using a used bulb, just have to get a flathead and pry up and it comes out. I don't know why that took me a while, but it wasn't very straightforward. All right, turn the key. Make sure that new bulb works. It's working, so let's just get it buttoned back up. All right, so I got it buttoned up, but it's not buttoned up because it's still a little loose. Those connectors aren't seating as they should. And the ones, so I took the old light apart here, they don't really want to come out because they're expandable. So I just use a little bit of super glue, get that in place, and we'll see if it holds. But it's better than nothing. It's funny, I was like, man, I need some super glue. Popped in the console of the Range Rover Classic. Yeah, buddy. Got him. Again, I like to carry most of the things that I need, and you know, sometimes they're available. So I think that's gonna finish up that quick video. Obviously the projects are not done for the Jag. The next thing is to sort through the intermittent restricted performance, which again, it's probably intake based. I want to dig into that. So hope you liked the video, quick and easy. If you like and subscribe, do that fun YouTube stuff. Check me on Instagram. Catch you on the next one, guys. All right. And we're in. That's not even that bad in there.
I was expecting that.
All right, Dave, $200. We'll do your body work for you, buddy.